We here at Battlefield Flag Company want to thank you for the opportunity today to share with you how we'd love to partner with you to ensure that you can continue to display the pride that you have in our nation and the thankfulness that you have in the veterans who make the sacrifices for our freedoms. We know in the day-to-day operations of our business, we can get extremely busy. It can be easy to miss that the flags get a little bit faded or that the fly-ins get a little bit tattered and torn. And we want to offer you a replacement program. So every 6 months, or we can tailor that time frame to meet your business needs, we'll send you a new flag. It'll show up on your doorstep and you'll know that it's time to raise a new flag up there. You'll always have a great looking flag up there on the flagpole. And when you do business with us, you're doing business with a certified veteran-owned small business. And you can have confidence knowing that we hold these flags to the highest of standards. We'll only send you flags that are 100% made in the USA. They'll have an FMAA logo on them or the FMAA text. That's the Flag Manufacturers Association of America. And when you see that, you know that flag's been certified, that the labor's been done in the US, and then materials, 100% USA. We also provide a portion of all sales back to veteran charities. We want to continue to support the veterans who make the sacrifices for our freedoms. You see, you and I have a great opportunity to partner together here. When we raise that flag high, we're showing this generation and the next that we're going to continue to show and display the pride that we have in our nation, that we're going to continue to support and show thankfulness and gratitude to the veterans who make those sacrifices. Because when we raise that flag high, whenever they see that good looking flag up there on that flagpole, it touches their heart and it shows that we care and that we're thankful for what they've done. We would love to have a conversation with you so that we can partner with you. You can reach us on social media. You can reach us through the contact form on our website or email us. But we'd love to have a conversation on how we could partner with you. We look forward to doing business with you. We want to thank you very much for your time today. We know it's extremely valuable. We hope you have a great day and God bless.